Are you tired of frustrating immigration delays and requests for evidence, or RFEs? This video is your ultimate guide to successfully navigating the Form I-485 adjustment of status process for 2026. We'll focus on an RFE-proof document checklist to help you avoid common pitfalls and ensure a smooth application. Let's dive into our RFE-proof checklist, starting with the primary form. First, Form I-485, application to register permanent residence or adjust status, is your main application for a green card. Ensure you use the correct edition date, January 20th, 2025, and that all pages are from the same edition, with page numbers visible. Next, depending on your application basis, you'll need an approved Form I-130 for family-based petitions or Form I-140 for employment-based petitions. The I-130 edition date is April 1st, 2024, and the I-140 edition date is June 7th, 2024. If filing I-485 concurrently with I-140, Supplement J is not needed, but it is required for pending or approved I-140s or job portability. Form I-765, application for employment authorization, allows you to request a work permit. Its edition date is January 20th, 2025. If your I-485 was filed after April 1st, 2024, additional fees apply for Form I-765. You can file Form I-765 concurrently with I-485 or separately with a copy of your I-797C receipt notice. Form I-131, application for travel document, is used to apply for advance parole with an edition date of January 20th, 2025. Similar to I-765, additional fees apply for I-131 if your I-485 was filed after April 1st, 2024. When filing concurrently, select Item 5.a in Part 1 of Form I-131. Otherwise, a copy of Form I-797C is required. Form I-693, Report of Immigration Medical Examination, is crucial for health-related admissibility. Effective December 2nd, 2024, Form I-693, edition date January 20th, 2025, must be submitted with Form I-485 to avoid rejection. The civil surgeon must provide it in a sealed envelope, which you must not open or alter. Any I-693 signed by a civil surgeon on or after November 1st, 2023, does not expire and can be used indefinitely. Finally, gather your supporting evidence: birth certificates, 2 passport-style photos, and proof of U.S. citizenship or lawful permanent residence for the petitioner. Now, let's briefly walk through key sections of Form I-485, pointing out common pitfalls and confusing questions. In Part 2, principal applicants must check the appropriate boxes for items 2 and 3.a through 3.g. Derivative spouses or children also complete principal applicant information and check their respective boxes in Part 2. For Form I-130, in Part 4, questions 61 or 62, select only one option to indicate adjustment of status or consular processing. Leaving it blank or selecting both can lead to USCIS using discretion based on your address. Now, let's cover some essential pro tips for filing your application package correctly. Always sign all forms, and signed forms will be rejected, causing significant delays. For fee payments, USCIS no longer accepts personal or business checks for paper filings unless an exemption applies. Payments can be made by credit, debit, or prepaid card using Form G-1450 or directly from a U.S. bank account using Form G-1650. To receive email or text notifications, complete Form G-1145, e-notification of application/petition acceptance, and clip it to the first page. When filing I-140 and I-485 together, assemble each form package separately. Do not combine supporting documents. Refer to the direct filing addresses for Form I-485 page on the USCIS website to find a correct mailing address. Generally, Form I-485 cannot be filed until an immigrant visa is immediately available. Check the visa bulletin pages for eligibility and priority dates. Any foreign language document must include a full English translation and a certification from the translator. an attorney or authorized representative can submit Form G-28 with your I-485 or at the interview. By following this comprehensive guide and detailed checklist, you can significantly minimize the risk of RFEs and delays. Remember to meticulously prepare each document and adhere to all filing instructions for a successful I-485 application. If this guide was helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more essential immigration tips, and leave any questions in the comments below.